We are here presenting the 6th annual Shaka Cicera competition. This is our sixth competition, and next year we plan to continue again with the support of you all and pretty much other potential sponsors for us to continue to do what is Garifuna.
Now, when it comes to cultural preservation, as we rightfully stated, we are very, very passionate about it. We are very, very enthused about it. We're very inclined in making sure that our culture stays alive, our culture remains, and what is it best to have a station like this 91.7 FM like a radio station, where now we're the voice of the voiceless, voice of the people, the Garifuna people, in Belize, we don't have any Garifuna radio station, so we see the fit. We follow suit from those who want to put our voices out there, but we say, you know what? We are proud of who we are. We want to let the people know, give them information about everything Garifuna, with no hold back. So nobody can come and tell me, well, look, you can say this, you can't say this, you can do this, you can't do this. We were put out there, what are we?
Yeah. And again, the Cicera competition, Shaka Cicera competition, is just a showcasing of what is Garifuna. The Cicera is a component of the Garifuna music. We are known for our drums, we are known for our singing, but it does not go without the Cicera, right? A couple of years ago, we did the Cicera workshop where we educate young people about the making, the producing, and the right way of playing Cicera. So this year we want to bring that back again with the help of others, with the help of other organizations. We're asking you guys to come on board and to support us in doing what is Garifuna, doing what is Dangra, doing what is Belize. Right? With that, this is the 6th annual Cicera competition. Thank you all.
Yes, I want to say thanks to Sir Mahou, big either Wama, Luau, Faria. Without the Shaka, it does not give you that taste, that extra flavor. And when they premiere and they say, do we have the premiere and Segunda down there? They don't there, right? But they're not here, but they're not going to have them in the studio anyway. But we're highlighting the Shaka competition. Now I think we have reached the pinnacle. And that's why we're here today, tonight, wherever, because then we are also in the recruiting process. So if you know somebody, right, and somebody who know you, whatever, make sure that you find us 622-2411, 615-3715. Because even the young, for the start, before they start, they go hold a Shaka, just the rhythm they need. Come on along. We will find the means to show you how to shape that Shaka well. And it's a serious thing too, It's fun, but it's serious because it's also utilized
in our spirituality,
in our spiritual house. To Igbo, Dabuyo. Right? So it's nothing really to play with. It has its fun to it, it has a serious side to it. So it's an important tool, it's an important instrument, it's an important element of the Garifuna culture that comes alive through the International Shaka competition. Thank you.
Thank you.
Maniga now ya landine. Anyangira mutu arabo. Maniga now ya landine. Anyangira mutu arabo. Aligabana ya. Nakula luana La tuna kuda baga Aligabana ya. Hinabula luana La tuna kuda baga. Maniga Manigana uyalandine. Oh, oh. Anyagera mutu arabo. Oh, oh. Manigana uyalandine. Oh, oh. Anyagera mutu arabo. Kasamege beya. Disi wachare. Kabambe sangwalu bakamega ilu wanyaga. Kasamege beya. Disi wachare. Kabambe sangwalu bakamega ilu wanyaga. Manigana uyalandine. Anyagera mutu arabo. Manigana uyalandine. Anyagera mutu arabo.
Let's say thank you to all the ladies on stage.